Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red.
DAVINCI DC-100 rolls. The DAVINCI DC-100, a high-performance robotic electric motorcycle, made its US debut at CES 2023. This futuristic bike is designed to rival traditional 1,000 cubic centimeters bikes in terms of performance, incorporating a suite of computer chips and advanced sensors. It features a sleek and aerodynamic design. We're excited to announce that CES 2023 represents our first on-site appearance in the US market, said Rosanna Libya, DaVinci Motors International Business Manager. As a tech-driven company, this show is a top priority for us to showcase ourselves as a tech company in the US and around the world. CES 2023 provides the perfect opportunity to introduce our product to the US market, and we invite media and attendees to visit our booth. The DaVinci DC-100 motorcycle's cutting-edge technology and performance capabilities make it a standout in the market, and its appearance at CES 2023 demonstrates the company's commitment to innovation and expansion into the US market. Space Rider Animation. Europe's Space Rider program is making significant progress in its bid to provide in-orbit transportation and research services with its spacecraft. Teams are preparing for a series of drop tests in 2023 to ensure the spacecraft's capabilities. The drop tests will commence with small-scale models, followed by a full-scale test in anticipation of the inaugural flight towards the end of 2024. Recently, the engineering teams completed the critical design review and are expected to finalize the design early in 2023. Furthermore, efforts are underway to select the payloads that will be carried on the first flight of the reusable Space Rider. This lifting body vehicle, roughly the size of 2 minivans, is designed to land with a remarkable 150 meters accuracy using a steerable parachute known as a parafoil, which will be tested during the upcoming drop tests. The Space Rider will be launched by the Vega C rocket, which successfully completed its first flight in July 2022 from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. This collaborative effort aims to establish a reliable and efficient return to Earth service for transportation and research projects in orbit. XGO-Mini Robot. The XGO-Mini is an advanced quadruped robot with AI capabilities. It can interact with users through voice and image recognition. The XGO-Mini is a desktop-sized robot with 12 degrees of freedom, enabling directional movement, 6-dimensional posture control, stable posture, and various motions. Equipped with a 9-axis IMU, joint position sensors, and electric current sensors, the XGO-Mini can accurately reflect its own posture, joint rotation angles, and torque. These sensors are used for algorithm verification and development. The robot can be programmed through a computer using programming languages like C++ and Python. The XGO-Mini is designed for applications in education, research, algorithm verification, and entertainment. It is equipped with fully functional AI modules that facilitate both entry-level and advanced AI applications. These modules include visual recognition, voice recognition, and gesture recognition, allowing the XGO-Mini to hear, recognize, and respond to users like a real dog. DJI Avata. The DJI Avatar Fly Smart Combo offers a safe and steady filming experience, capturing ultra-wide 4K stabilized video both indoors and outdoors. Its compact palm-sized design, often referred to as a Cinebook design, features propeller guards to protect the propellers and enable close-up filming near people and through small openings without risking damage or injury. Even if the DJI Avatar comes into contact with objects, it can bounce off and continue flying. The Fly Smart combo enhances the piloting experience with immersive and intuitive controls, including the FPV Goggles V2 and motion controller. The FPV Goggles V2 have two built-in 2-inch screens, each providing a resolution of 1440 by 810, offering an 810p live feed from the avatar's point of view. The motion controller offers a unique and natural way of flying. Instead of a traditional gamepad-style remote, you squeeze a trigger to fly forward and swivel your wrists to turn corners. This innovative control method adds to the overall immersive experience of piloting the DJI Avata. Floating habitat concept captures. This concept, known as Carbon Capture Refuge X, envisions floating habitats that serve as a utopian solution to environmental challenges. These habitats are designed to capture carbon from the air and convert it into electricity. Carbon Capture Refuge X is intended to be a community created by and for scientists, situated within the Earth's troposphere. While scientists conduct environmental research, the habitat also serves as a space for refugees. Each habitat features solar panels and carbon capture fans that extract carbon from the atmosphere. This captured carbon is then converted into electrical energy. Neon strips run throughout the structure's floors, walls, and roofs, serving as both veins to circulate utilities and as muscles that accommodate the system's growth. These strips can also open and close to regulate air circulation and allow natural light to enter, depending on the weather conditions. The concept of Carbon Capture Refuge X combines sustainable energy generation, carbon capture technology, and community living to create a futuristic habitat that tackles environmental challenges while providing a safe haven for scientists and refugees alike. IBM's 3D chip stacking. IBM Research and Tokyo Electron have collaborated on a breakthrough in 3D chip making, aiming to keep Moore's Law alive. The partnership has resulted in a simplified process for producing wafers with 3D chip stacking technology. According to a press statement, the two companies have successfully implemented the new process for producing 300mm silicon chip wafers using 3D chip stacking technology. This achievement marks the world's first example of this technology at the 300mm level. The novel chip stacking process utilizes invisible lasers for silicon integration. Traditional chip stacking involves vertical connections between layers of silicon known as through-silicon vias. These layers are typically extremely thin, with a thickness of less than 100 microns. By advancing the 3D chip stacking process, IBM Research and Tokyo Electron aim to enhance computing power and enable further innovation in the semiconductor industry. This breakthrough could potentially help sustain the pace of progress predicted by Moore's Law, which relates to the doubling of the number of transistors on a chip every 2 years, thus increasing computing power.